Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Ababenzo TV. It's the Nedbank Cup, TS Galaxy 2, Spear 0. I'm joined by Tubawa Rockets.
Ola Stibo.
Friend Putumtana.
Sharp kanjani Stibo?
Amnandi Jaya.
Ngimnandi nje yami.
Game ibone kanjani?
Stibo uyabona besofundisa ingane Stibo ukuthi Motsepe versus PSL we're just providing ama lessons of football.
Yes.
Kahle Stibo kumele ngabe u5-0 6-0 but then we asifuni ukudemotivate abantwana yabo sifuna ukuthi at least abantwana sibanike ama lessons akungabi harsh just sibanike ama lessons abe right singabaphuluma Stibo because these boys we need them ukuthi bakhule. We want to see them in Motsepe League next season, maybe possible or next 2 years or else naku PSL because siyawadinga amankwenke ukuthi akhule.
Ngiyakuthola
injalo.
Man of the match uyipha
man of the match yami I can choose between the two. Uyabona we've got quality ku Juniors Ndonga, we've got quality ku Tape Ira. Uyabona uJunior. Remember ukuthi maqala season bekadlala kuphi? Bekadlala as top man. Kwenzakalani in the last 5 games ubona ukuthi udlala kuphi? Bamshiftile bamphushela on the wing side. Look at the pace. Look at check mbheke makabamba ibhola wenzani uya kumdlali and uthi 1-2 aphasa ibhola and uya space yabo. So ama qualities akhe are more, we can see more of his qualities on the sides more on than in the front. La phambili si right ngolongo number 17 wethu a striker and then sibe kutap Ira ngaleya. But one between the two it either Tape Ira goalkeeper or else Juniors Ndonga ngapha. And if any of them get man of the match I'm happy. I'm happy.
And then nje Mhlebe league izothatha ubani?
Iligi.
Iligi. Ahle.
Njami ngifaka amakhala manje kanjani?
Play.
Singasaphenduli njami asiqhubeke.
Iphakani.
Asiqhubeke.
Iphakani. Yeah?
Njami.
TS Galaxy. TS Galaxy thatha league.
Njayami ngifaka amakhala njani mina?
Black.
Okay, akumina uzothatha league. Athi ngifaka amakhala njani mina?
Black.
Ngitshela amakhala u3 avela ku emblem yami.
Ngibona black and white.
Na ipen. Uye ku yellow. Yellow is not on the emblem.
Ku emblem.
Ubheke emblem.
And ray.
Mangakhi emblem? Awu3. Yiphi enye team PSL namakhala lawa u3 ku emblem yayo.
Iphakani.
Asiqhubeke njami. Ikhosha ilandelayo.
Ilandelayo.
Khosha ilandelayo.
Next game ikora bani njayami? Next game ikora bani ku Nedbank.
Next game.
For TS.
Njayami ngithe Juniors Ndonga number 9.
Bengasi man of the match yakho.
Man of the match. And the next game uzokora.
Which is number 1
Number 9.
Number 9. So thatha leya loan ye 9,000.
9k Njayami.
Momthemba ngalendlela oyishoyo. Thatha personal loan.
Njayambuka. Juniors Ndonga, I'm talking about AFCON quality.
Yes.
Lama players abe wala grounding namhlanje. Kwi AFCON ka 2025-2026. Ebidlala ngo December to January. There is only one player who represented the AFCON here. Juniors Ndonga. There is no any other player. Uyabona there was one commentator from Ukhozi FM babathi uJoe Udla. He once said he experience ngeke uyithenge eShoprite or eBox or anywhere. You get it on the field. So uZindonga is quality and the experience yakhe we collect along the way. From Marumo Gallants to the national team yakhe Zimbabwe. Aya nayo AFCON. Ubuya nayo ku TS Galaxy. Uyabona wenzani? Ufikile nje yami. Stibo. 9k wami Stibo ngiya lapha eNedbank yona nje yami ngithatha 9k. Angubhadari futhi. Batshele nje ukuthi angubuyisi. Uzindonga ushaya igoli eli1 ngithatha la idengi ngishafe ekhwapheni ngihamba nayo. Ngiyangithandi nje yami.
Ufiwa bosheru bekrela.
Njayami. Showcase. Thank you. Danko. Rocket.
Sibongile.
Kanjani?
Sibongile Rocket.
From Malanga Derby in the final. We can only pray for the final because we understand ukuthi this thing comes with imali Njayami. If it comes to Wamhlanga it's money for Thembisilani. If it goes to Mbombela it's money for Imbombela municipality. So imali for Impumalanga. size la nje.
Ngiyakuthola.
Sold out.
Hayi asiva.
So and ithikithi lakhona yazi balidayisa ngemali njani.
Imali.
Noma bangalibeka 120.
Yeah, so
Sowathenga. Awalibeka 150.
Yeah.
150.
Yeah.
Singatlola 15,000 150.
Angeke.
15k ticket lola.
Angeke.
Siwathenga sold out njani.
Thank you Bhuti Omdala. Hayi asibonge Bhuti Omdala, asibonge Bhuti Omdala.